Hey guys, Matty from BuiltRight here, and today we're going to be installing a set of our bedside racks on a 2022 Toyota Tundra. To complete this install, you're going to need a T30 TORX, a T40 TORX, and a 5/32 Allen key. For the standard bed, you're going to use 4 button head screws per side, and for the short bed, you're only going to be using 2. Included in your kit, you're going to get a rear panel, you're going to get a front panel, and if you have the standard length bed size, you're also going to get a panel that spans the two. So to begin the install, we're going to remove the tie downs that are in the corners, and we're also going to remove the track that comes on the Tundra. So we're gonna remove all of these screws that are in the track here on our Tundra. Next to the second rearmost screw, there is a little push rivet that they use to hold the track on, so you could undo all of the screws. And then the final thing you're gonna do is remove this little push rivet. Alright, so I put the push rivet back into the
the piece of metal here.
the channel.
Here.
So the push rivet is through the channel that comes on the Tundra and through the bedside rack panel. We're working on the rearmost panel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up the bedside. I'm going to push that push rivet in, which is hopefully going to hold everything in place while I go ahead and install the 3 bolts up top and then the 2 tie down bolts. We will be using our tie down that comes on the truck, so keep that. Alright, so now that we have the 3 bolts loosely in on the top rail, we're just going to loosely reinstall our tie down with its 2 bolts. And like I said, we're doing this loosely for now until we work our way to the front of the truck. Alright, so now we're going to be working on the front panel. Same steps, 3 top bolts. There's just no push rivet this time. So you're going to hold it up under the rail. Get your 3 bolts started, get your tie down bolts started, and then we'll go around and we'll tighten everything down after we put our little patch panel in. So now that we have the front panel loosely installed, the rear panel loosely installed, we're going to move to put our bridge panel in between the 2, pushing these 2 around to make this fit nicely. And that is where we're going to be using our 4 little button head screws. Let's get to it. Bridge panel is installed. Now we're just going to go run around the outside of the panels and tighten everything down. Alright guys, and with that, your 2022 Toyota Tundra bedside racks are installed. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll see you later.